Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Extra Subject. We have already covered four parts of speech. Fifth one is adverb. An adverb is a word that modifies or describes a verb, an adjective, or another adverb. Adverb usually provide more information about how, when, where, or to what degree an action is performed. For example, consider the sentence, she sings beautifully. The adverb beautifully modifies the verb sings and describes the manner in which she performs the action. Adverb can also modify adjective. Example, he is extremely tall, where extremely modifies the adjective tall. Adverb can modify adverb as well. Example, she speaks very softly, where very modifies the adverb softly. Adverb can be formed by adding ly to an adjective. Example, quickly, happily. However, not all adverbs ends in ly, which may please note. In summary, adverbs provide additional information about the action or quality being described. That's all in this video. Please support my channel by like, share and subscribe.